In today's video, we're going to talk about how often you should be posting to your Google business profile, also known as Google My Business. And so before we get into that, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video every single Tuesday and Friday talking about all things digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and personal development. We'd love for you to get notified when those videos go live, as well as when you subscribe and hit that button, our information gets out and video content gets out to more people just like yourself. Getting back to today's question and today's topic, the Google Business Profile, when optimized and utilized effectively, can generate up to 70% more traffic into your website. So most people have a profile, but they're not optimizing it to its fullest, which we've talked about that in other videos, but essentially there is a circle that will say profile complete or not complete and rank it on a color basis in order to get it fullest to completion. Green is good. You should be looking to get it to there. But outside of that, one of the biggest factors that will go into getting your Google business listing into a solid position and ranking ahead of the competitors is consistent posting to the platform. So Google My Business posting is like its own social media platform in and of itself. And when Google says or recommends to do something, I don't ask why, I ask, hey, how high? They're asking me to jump, right? I don't question Google. And so our recommendation and what we do for our clients is we post once a week to the Google Business Profile. Now, I always recommend if you want to add more posts in that, if you're a client of ours or you're trying to do this on your own or you're working with another marketing agency, just make sure that whatever you commit to, you're going to be consistent with. So we have people that post every other day, post multiple times a week. Some people post as much as once a day. Once a week is solid enough if you're consistent with it. If you want to add more, of course, that's great too, but don't make 20 posts in 2 weeks and then not post again for 2 months. Google is looking for quality and they're looking for consistency. So whatever you're going to commit to, my recommendation is at least once a week. Be consistent with it and make sure that there's actually quality content going behind that. With a single post, you're going to want to put a picture up there of something that's going on within your business. You're also going to want to make sure that it's a quality SEO written piece of content, baking in keywords that are going to eventually drive more traffic into your Google business listing and then into your website with a call to action at the end of it. Call to action being call now, go to the website, send a message through the Google Business Profile. You want to make sure that people can consume your content, get their attention caught by that picture, that post, and then convert from there. So my recommendation is at least to get started, start with once a week and then work your way on up from there. It's no different than going to the gym. You don't go into the gym and start lifting all of the weights at the very, very heavy weights after not lifting for years or taking some time off. So once a week is a good starting point and it's a solid foundation if you want to go every other day or even multiple times a week or once a day at that. It's a good place to eventually work up and to get to, but I don't recommend just starting and going in there as if you've never done it before, right? So get started and get that profile in a position to get more exposure because again, the profiles that are optimized, the profiles that are utilizing this to its fullest are getting 70% on average more traffic into your website. So if this video was helpful, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Share this content on social media so that way more people can find out everything that I'm talking about here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching today's video and we'll see you next time.